Hello YouTube, hello YouTube. This is my F5. This is my group of fighter jets. F5 Agasaurs and MiG-28. Well, F5 Black. F5 Top Gun Black. Yeah, that's real good. Yeah, F5 Agasaur is really cool. My bottom turned out the wrong way, so I don't know how. Top is pretty cool. You can get these for free online at the free plane section. Yeah, it's not hard at all. It's in Hangar 1 actually. So, yeah. It's a free plane, but there's one. Yeah, but there's also another one, F5 Agasaur. That is $4.99. These are free. But these three are actually free planes, so yeah. Yeah. This is my first, no, this is my first Avasaur. It was 10:30 at night when I was building it, so yeah. This is the MiG-28, or, F5 Top Gun. It's cool. Next I will be showing you the flight of each. And you will see how bad in person will fly. Yeah. Just look that way. Yeah. Here's the MiG-28 flight. MiG-28. So let me fix it. Yeah, this is how I fix the nose. It's not pretty at all. I stabbed it through like that. It's not pretty. Yeah, MiG-28 flight. Let's see. Yeah, pretty good. Went to my stove. Here is the F5 Agasaur. I have to fix the nose too. Let's do. My dad. Okay, so yeah. Here it goes. Yeah, that's pretty good. It didn't go all the way to the stove, but that one was my best plane. Once when I was going to Chuck E. Cheese's I broke that plane, and when I flew it, it went across half of my yard and hit the car. I was about to lift. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is my first F5 Agasaur, the one that I said flew really bad. Yes, you can see all the other planes actually landed straight, and that one landed upside down. So yeah, pretty good. Let's see that again. Gaddafi's forces have not flown aircraft. Oh, that's awesome. 2 days, so that's a line that I think people will be very interested to hear. That was the first one. Wow. Oh no, wait, that was my second one. This is my first one. Well, yeah, that's pretty it. I suggest that you get some of these planes. They're really awesome. There's a demo video for each, so yeah. Thanks for watching.